seaboard of Australia has been ravaged by widespread major flooding this week, and it does continue through parts of Queensland. The Fitzroy not expecting to see a major flood peak at Rockhampton until the middle of the week. These are the rain deciles now for the month of March. That dark blue shows well above average rainfall, and the very darker shading shows where it was the wettest March on record. That includes the area between Mackay and Rockhampton. Gladstone had their wettest March on record. Small parts of northern New South Wales, including Yamba and Lismore, and even a tiny area just to the northwest of Sydney had their wettest March on record. It was a dry month through central and southern Australia, and above average rain thanks to a tropical low from the Pilbara through to the central inland part of Western Australia. Now here are the totals just over the past week. The black shading shows over 400 millimetres of rain around the central coast and the northern Capricornia, and also similar totals near the New South Wales-Queensland border. We even had localised falls from severe tropical cyclone Debbie, upwards of 800 millimetres in just a 48-hour period west of Mackay, but also to the inland of the Gold Coast. As a result, widespread flooding, which has hit southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales. Hundreds of properties have been affected from this flooding. Now, the floodwaters are receding in southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales, and that is because the rivers in that area are quite short. So it only takes a few days for flood peaks to move from upstream towards the coastline. Different story though further north. The Fitzroy River catchment is the largest along the east coast of Australia, and that is why the flooding there will take much longer.